Okay guys, so this is Surface 8 Pro, and we are gonna replace the LCD on that. As you can see, we just put the screen on the heating pad for some time. Now it's hot. We need to take the blade, and I need to see where do we have the blade actually. Here. And we are gonna remove that now. We're gonna start from the bottom. You have to be careful because there is a flex underneath here. You may break it, so just don't pull the LCD unless it's removed from all sides. The other thing is, if you want, you can use the heat gun so that it comes off easily. See this? So we're gonna see the other LCD, the new one. How does it come? Let's go and check that. Okay, so this is Microsoft Surface Pro 8 13-inch LCD, the new one. I'm gonna open it. Be very careful. Okay, so this one is easier actually. Everything else is done, and you have to just like connect this connector. That's all, I believe. This is my first time too for the Surface 8 Pro, but it seems very straightforward to me. And what we are gonna do here, we're gonna remove this guy. These are a little hard, but be careful you don't injure yourself. Careful. And then you need a spudger. Take this one out. One side is a little bit wider. You can put it there, or maybe you can do it from the bottom itself. That's going to be easier for you. Okay, rest all, I think it looks, you don't need to do anything else. The only thing is we are gonna remove this adhesive because this is useless. let's connect and see what's going on. Okay, there you go. The light turned on and it's starting. You can see that, right? Oh, okay, here you go. The touch is working fine. Everything is good. Okay, so sign in options. If you touch here, you can see the pin code or the hello or the pin code. So if you do the pin code, you can do all that stuff. It's going to show the pin code, pin pad and all. So that's all, I believe. Now we can glue it. So this is the tape. Heat resistant, and you can put this one on here. We're gonna use the adhesive. Make sure you put all the corners properly. Don't press it too hard. And here. Okay, your speakers are at the right location. And that is, make sure the corners are good. That's the main thing, key thing. And then what we can do is we can put the rubber bands on. That's it. Okay, that's all. Leave it for some time, and after that remove the rubber bands. After 30 minutes you should be good. Bye, see you with next video.